right here is a quick video on how you can swap your Zcash tokens right here on Trust Wallet into USDT. All right. So now, and first of all, I want you to know that the Trust Wallet has been updated, and if you are using the old version, you have to go and update your Trust Wallet to the latest version. And as soon as you update it, you should be seeing more features integrated into the Trust Wallet. Such features, such like earning, various ways to earn, and trading on perpetuals. You can see all of that right now in Trust Wallet. Okay. So first, quickly, after you've updated your Trust Wallet, and then you should be seeing these features. And for those of you that are new into the Trust Wallet or crypto space, you have to, this is one of the apps that you can use to trade your cryptocurrency. It's a Web3 wallet that is decentralized and enables you to trade any form of crypto coins. All right. So you have to create a wallet, and then after creating a wallet, you can now have access to the features, all of these features right here. For those of you that are new, okay. So now, for you to be able to swap this your Zcash right here to USDT, you click on it. All right. As soon as you click on it, it's going to take you to this section where you can now see what swap. Right here is a section that you see swap. You click on that swap button right there. It's going to take you to this place. Ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very, very stable. All right. Then after it has taken you right here, you can see the amount of Zcash that I have in my wallet. I can decide to swap all of them, all of the coins right here on my ZEC tokens, or I can decide to remain. In Trust Wallet, you can decide to swap either 25% or the 50% or 75% of your actual tokens that you have. All right. So ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very, very stable so that your balance can, as soon as it is automatically synchronized and your network is stable, you should be seeing your balance reflecting right here. And this is the worth of the coins. All right. So let me say, for instance, I want to swap just 75%. I'll just click on the amount I want to swap to. Right now, you can see, first of all, you need to know the coins that you want to swap to. Here in this section right here is where you can select the particular coin. Let's say, for instance, I want to select swap from Zcash to USDT. I'll click on this BTC section right here to change this BTC to another crypto coins that I want to swap. All right, this one is the most one of the important ones that you need to know. All right, so I'll click right here, and then as soon as you click right there, it's going to bring you to this particular section now, where you can now select the various crypto assets that you can decide to select from. Right here on Trust Wallet, you can see that the partitioning right here has changed. So right now you can see here that these are the various network that you can swap to. Under this ecosystem here are different chains that you can swap to. Now let's say, for instance, for example, I want to swap, if I want to swap my USDT, which is ZEC to if I want to swap my Zcash crypto coins to the USDT, I need to know the type of USDT that I want to swap to. Is the USDT that I want to swap to built on BNB, or is the USDT I want to swap to built on TROX, or is the USDT that I want to swap to built on the Ethereum? Those are some of the key important things you need to know. All right. So now I want to swap to the USDT that is built on BNB. That's why I can see this little logo right here. Anytime you see this little logo just below this big button, know that this particular USDT is built under what? This ecosystem, which is what? The BNB. I hope that is clear enough. Now I'm going to select the particular coin that I want to swap to. I want to swap my Zcash to. I want to swap my Zcash to this USDT here that is built on what? The BNB. All right. So I'll click on it. Okay. I'll click on it. It's gonna bring me right back to my page right here. Okay. Now you can now see that the partitioning has changed. Right here you have the ZEC, and right here you have the USDT. Okay. So now I want to swap just 75% of my coins. So I'll just drag this little button right here to where to the right, because I want to swap 75%. If you drag it, mind you, if you drag it at maximum, then it means you want to swap everything right here. There will be nothing remaining right here. But me myself, I want to swap it to 75. Okay, so I'll now drag this to the right. Okay, so I'll drag it. Now you can now see that I've dragged it to the right, and then if you look here, you can see the available money, the amount that I want to swap to in USDT. All right, and then if you look here, you are going to be receiving this particular amount. This is the price details. Okay, and then now what you are going to do next is to swipe this button at the bottom corner here. You swap it to the right for you to be able to perform the final swapping. Okay, so you just drag it to the right, and as soon as you drag it to the right, your coins is going to be swapped automatically, and then you can see your crypto coins, your Zcash coins swapped to USDT BNB network right in your Trust wallet, guys. So this is basically how you can swap your Zcash tokens to USDT on Trust wallet. I hope this guide was very, very helpful. If you find interest and value in this guide, please let me know at the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you in our next video.